Hey everybody, this is a 52-inch Hunter Oakhurst ceiling fan. I believe this is the 26th week of 2016, 20-something week of 2016. I'm taking it apart after this video, so I'll tell you the exact week after this video, because I just wanted to test it. Unfortunately, this one has candelabra sockets still, and it has the newer switch housing design. I don't like how the switch housing looks like that. I liked when it was like smooth, like this. The older ones had this design. Anyways, let's go. Let's start it up on low. This fan I got free on Marketplace along with that and that. It was about 30 minutes away. I'd say it was worth it though. 3 fans that I got for free, so I mainly just came for that one now. I think this fan has a failing capacitor because it's very slow. That's low. Let's go to medium. It didn't come with Hunter pole chain extensions, but it did come with a random remote receiver, but without a remote, so this receiver is useless. That is medium. Yes, that is medium. I'm not joking. That is medium. This fan is really bad. The capacitor really went on this. Oops. And there's high. I mean, it sort of works on high. I really like the shades on this fan. And yeah, it's blowing some air. But yeah, the capacitor is definitely busted on this. Oh, I'll turn it off. Thank you for watching. Bye.